Hey all, so my name is Sandra Esquivias, and the credential I am pursuing is a Modern Severe, and also I am in the program Masters in Teaching, and this is my first year teaching. I am teaching pre-K Kinder SH at Frank West with BCSD. What do you want to be for your students? I want to be a role model. I want to model respect, compassion, confidence, and honesty. How do you view your role? I view my role as more than just an educator. I am a friend, a nurse, and a mom. What impact do you hope to have on students and their families? I hope to have a positive impact on my students and my families. What fuels your passion for this work? What fuels my passion is the aha moments when the students break through and understand the material. Also, when the students show their academic growth. How will that passion be manifested in your daily work? That passion will be manifested in my daily work by my integrity, empathy, and leadership.